If you need to close your AliExpress account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or security. Here, you should find the option to close or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to provide a reason for closing your account and confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the necessary steps, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any follow-up messages from AliExpress regarding your account closure. Once you have completed these steps, your AliExpress account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.